Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design or customize your own TikTok effects. So here, what you need to do first is just click on the plus icon, and then here you can choose if you want to post videos or photos, but I'm going to just click on this effect first. And then you can go to the create tab, and there will be this option to create effect. So just tap on the create effects options, and now here you can just choose the effects that you want to create. For example, you can use this AI effect. You can also add text like here, and then you can also use templates if you want to. You can see there are lots of effects template from TikTok in here. You can choose, for example, this Polaroid, this hearty clarity on other templates. And if you want to create a green screen effect, you can tap on this green screen options here, and then you can animate. You can adjust the opacity of the green screen, and you can also duplicate it. So just choose which one. If you want to create a makeup filter or if I can click on this makeup, then you can just set the item one by one. For example, the lipstick, the eyelashes, eyeshadow. Choose which one that you want. The hair, eye color, freckles, puffy eyes, and even highlight. So just customize it or you on your own, and then you can tap on done at the top if you are finished. Here you can change the effect icon, and also you can add the effects name. For example, you can add your own name here by like this, and then you can submit it. And by submitting, you are agree that the facts can be used by other TikTok's users. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.